First, watermelons are grown carefully in large farm fields. Then they are loaded onto trucks and transported to the factory.
Green side up.
As soon as they arrive, all the watermelons are unloaded with great care.
Mix the mix.
Keep the stems up.
Next, the full cleaning process begins to make them fresh and hygienic. Then, advanced robots inspect each watermelon one by one on the production line. After that, the watermelons are cut into pieces. Then, all the cut pieces are sent for grinding to make fresh juice. Even the leftover parts are processed carefully to reduce waste. The fresh watermelon juice flows through pipes and fills bottles automatically. Then, quality experts carefully check the juice to ensure it meets high standards. After that, the bottles are packed and sealed properly. Finally, the finished products are dispatched. Loaded onto trucks, they travel across different cities and villages across the USA, reaching people everywhere.